Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you guys for being here. And yeah, so really just talking about my thoughts being back with Boost Mobile. It's a bit nostalgic. But before I get into that, if this is your first time here, I would definitely appreciate it that after the video, if you guys enjoy the content that I provide, that you would subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video upload or when I go live. I do go live periodically. And please smash the like button too. That really helps. But also the biggest help could be is watching this all the way through. It really does help me out, and I would definitely appreciate that. Now, yesterday I dropped a video talking about how to set up the emergency broadband benefit account with Boost Mobile. And my return to Boost Mobile has been really weird. A very bit like of very nostalgic. If you don't know, this channel was primarily built on me reviewing a lot of Boost Mobile products. I'm like tripping over my own words here. But yeah. Initially this channel was started, I was like doing custom ROM videos and stuff like that, and eventually moved forward into doing Virgin Mobile phone reviews, switching from Virgin Mobile to Boost Mobile, and being on Boost Mobile for a couple of years. You know, the service has changed dramatically from what it used to be, and just the atmosphere and everything of it. And I know it's kind of weird to talk about an atmosphere because you're not physically in a place when you have Boost Mobile service, or when you have any type of phone service. You're not really in an enclosed building per se or anything like that, but being a part of Boost Mobile, there is an atmosphere that you can kind of feel to it, and it's the way that Boost Mobile projected itself way back in the day, from way back to the early days of the IDEN network and the push to talk and chirp where you at. The atmosphere has always been there. It's always been live. It's always been just like just pop. And it was just weird, like when people would ask you, like, oh, what phone service do you use? You're like, Boost Mobile, you know what I mean? Boost Mobile is a pillar in the prepaid community. It always has been. It's a name synonymous with prepaid. When anyone says Boost Mobile, automatically prepaid, Same with Cricket Wireless, same with Metro PCS, now known as Metro by T-Mobile. They're pillars in the prepaid community, and of course there's like a bunch of other ones out there, actual MVNOs more than prepaid subdivisions of a postpaid carrier. A lot of them are MVNOs, but Boost Mobile, pillar in it, and it's been on for the longest time, and I've seen it grow and change and morph into something else. And to be quite honest with a lot of people, I'm absolutely happy in the fact that Dish acquired Boost Mobile with the T-Mobile Sprint merger deal. Dish decided to step in and become the fourth carrier, and Dish acquiring Boost Mobile and not destroying Boost Mobile. That was always my biggest fear when it came to Boost Mobile and the future of the company, and that is, what is Dish going to do to them? Is Dish going to absolutely just rip them apart or anything like that? And they haven't. They've kept the name, they've kept the brand. Sure, they may have changed the icon of Boost Mobile to show that it is now part of Dish, but for the fact is, they kept a lot of the things the same. I love the fact that Dish tried to bring back the shrink it plan at some point in their early doings of Boost Mobile once they acquired them, and of course that's not around. At least I don't think that's around. I didn't see that anymore, but I do see them trying to have some sort of flexibility for customers, which I absolutely love. I love that. Sure, a lot of people can get on YouTube and talk a bunch of crap and like, oh, just all about unlimited, but there's some people who can deal with just 2 gigabytes of data per month and then slow for the remainder of the month. There's and it's like, what, $15? Yeah, so that's pretty cheap. But I'm happy in the fact that they have these things set in place for people that just don't want to go fully unlimited and reach that $50 cap. Some people might want to stay below $50 a month on cell phone service, and you know what, like, I can't knock them. Most of the reason why we want unlimited cell phone service, really, talk and text. Really, that's like the most that we do on our phones is really just like talk, phone calls and stuff like that, be able to make phone calls and things, and text. right? All the other stuff like YouTube and Facebook and Twitter and stuff like that, like we love doing that. But when you have home Wi-Fi, you can easily just connect to your Wi-Fi at home and just get on there and do what you're gonna do throughout the day. So having different options for different people is amazing. I can tell you right now that I am actually excited to be on Boost Mobile again, and it's not gonna work everywhere. That should be a no-brainer. Anyone who makes that argument case, I don't like Boost Mobile because services are crappy here where I'm at. Yeah, well, probably Boost Mobile's not great where you're at. Nowadays, if it's not great where you're at, more than likely T-Mobile is not great where you're at. But you also have to think too, prepaid services, their priority access to the parent company network is not going to be the same as someone who's on a postpaid account. And that's something that has been overlooked for the years that I've been reviewing Boost Mobile phones and Boost Mobile service and their deals and all that stuff. And I would always get these comments that people would talk about, and they would say like, "Oh yeah, you know what? It's trash, it's garbage, and and I would, and I don't know why I never thought of it back then to even say anything. It comes to me now, and it's like, yeah, it's not going to be like if you have been on postpaid service for years and years and years, and you decide to step down to prepaid. It don't matter what prepaid you go to. Just understand you're not going to get the same level of priority access as a postpaid account or even a business account. That is just the nature of the business. There has to be some sort of setback for prepaid, because just imagine this: if prepaid cellular service was absolutely on par with postpaid service or better than it, then what would keep people to stay with postpaid? How would they maintain to keep postpaid customers in postpaid accounts instead of switching over to prepaid if they're going to get absolutely everything that postpaid gets on prepaid? So of course the level of priority access has to be lower, right? A person that has T-Mobile postpaid should be getting way faster speeds than what I'm going to get on Boost Mobile, because Boost Mobile technically is now an MVNO on T-Mobile. They're not part of the T-Mobile family. They're just utilizing the network per the agreement of the deal, the Sprint T-Mobile merger. The FCC required that since Dish is building out its network, T-Mobile give access to Boost Mobile customers until Dish's network is built out. And even then, T-Mobile hasn't lived up to their promise on that. And therefore, Dish has acquired a deal with AT&T. And so Boost customers soon will be on the AT&T network, which I'm thoroughly excited for. Is the reason why that I wanted to get the Boost Mobile line the best way that I could get it, and be able to get access to that AT&T network and see how it runs on AT&T once that goes live. But yes, as far as my concern, being back with Boost Mobile is not a setback. Do I still have my visible line? Yes, I do. Do I have the Metro by T-Mobile line? Nope, that was done with since yesterday. And do I still have my Los Mobile line? Abso-freaking-lutely. But am I here to compare Boost Mobile to them? No. But I am going to tell you guys about my experiences with Boost Mobile, especially when the switchover happens and we start utilizing the AT&T network. Definitely want to bring you guys more information on that. So if you guys enjoyed what I had to say in this video about Boost Mobile, smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, you want to subscribe, I really, really appreciate that. And thank you for watching the video all the way through. If you made it all the way through, hashtag Boost Rocks. And I'll see you on the next one. As always, Aloha.